What did you say?
Subscribe! Hey, my favorite. Let's see how to say. I hope. Let's get fun. Let's get fun.
Now let's take a look to see what you have in front of you. What is that? What did you get?
Look at snow.
How about Hulk? What did you get? Does that look amazing? Wait, hey, if you want us to open, like, share, and subscribe. Wow, let's take a closer look. Look at that. Does that look like a Batmobile?
Yeah.
How about that one? Does that look like a Spider-Man's? These are very cool remote control cars.
Baba, it'll go up and down?
I don't know. We'll have to see.
Robot.
Can you pick it up and show us?
I take robots. In mine?
Well, let's take a closer look. Look at that Batmobile. It looks so real. What do you think, Captain America?
Good.
Oh, what do you think, Hulk?
Good.
Whoa. Whoa. That is super cool. Does that open? Whoa, the Spider-Man is so cool, it does flips. That's amazing. Whoa. Whoa, it rotates. Whoa, hit your shield, Captain America. Is that doing flips? That is amazing, look at that. It looks like it's trying to climb the wall. It looks like it's dancing. Okay, can we get the cars moving again? Let's put it on the ground and watch it move. Can we see the spider dance? Spider is dancing. Whoa! That is so cool. is Spider-Man beating up Batmobile? Whoa! Whoa! Oh, that's amazing! Oh, Spider-Man bit you! Spider-Man attacked you! That is a Spider-Man remote control. It can be 360 rotate. It's got cool LED lights and it's rechargeable. And this is the Batman RC remote control car. It comes with Batman action figure.
Batman action figure? What? What Batman action figure?
Can we show you where the Batman action figure is?
It's down here somewhere.
How do you open that?
On the front.
There we go. Oh look, Batman's sitting inside.
And it closes it like this.
Okay.
And it closes like this. And it's open like that.
Can you show us how it drives?
Yeah.
Wow. Hulk has all the cars lined up.
Look at I called it.
Yeah, we have to turn it on. In the middle. The power button. There we go. That is so cool. Spider-Man car is so amazing. The little flashing lights. And there goes all the cars. Hulk, what do you think of the new cars? Yeah. There it goes. What is Hulk doing? Hulk. Here's the Spider-Man vehicle. Hulk, what are you doing? Can you tell us all the monster trucks? What are their names? Yeah. How about the baby cars at the top? It's not in the middle. Whoa! Who won?
Yeah, I think that's good.
Where's Batman hidden?
No, that's my.
Let's try it again. You can do it. You did it. That's amazing. Is Spider-Man dancing? That is so cool. Is it trying to climb up the wall? Oh, there it goes. Ready? Get set, go! And you did it! You did it! That is amazing! He can be reversed, forward can be backward, and backward can be forward. That's awesome. So sometimes it's a little tricky to figure out which way is forward and which way is backward. You did it.